6 Health Benefits of Amaranthus spinosus, the healthiest vegetables. Amaranthus spinosus' common name is spiny amaranth, and it is belong to Amaranthaceae family. It is originally comes from fields in South America toward Central America to Mexico. You can cook the leaves and stems, or eaten raw to get its very nutritious benefits. This herbal plant mainly found in warm area, and known for traditional medicine throughout the world. It is also found in tropical zone of Asia such as Indonesia to Japan and Pacific Islands. There are a lot of other names for Amaranthus spinosus such as lalsag, Thotakura chalai, Shavrani mat, Punkarai, Chalaka, Thotakura. This herbal plant can grow up to 100 centimeters high, and its leaves normally about 3 inches long. It is good either for salads or for babies' food. Traditionally, the main health benefits of Amaranthus spinosus is to prevent excessive menstrual flow, nose bleeding and mouth ulcers. There are 5 edible parts of the plants which are shoots and stem, leaves, seeds, and eye. Folks usually add shoots and stem in soups or cook with other vegetables. Leaves may be eaten as salads, while its seed could be eaten raw. Health benefits of Amaranthus spinosus. 1. Help to lose weight. The most natural thing to do to lose weight is to maintain healthy eating. Thus we can gain the benefits of healthy eating. But amaranthus contains a lot of vitamins and specific hormone that suppressed food appetite. 2. Enhance eyes health. One of many health benefits of Amaranthus spinosus is to improve eye vision. It is contain lutein that is related to eye tissue to make better vision. 3. Increase protein content. Its high protein value helps our body to create new cells and tissue. 4. Treatment for gastrointestinal problems. High fiber content on its leaves enables better circumstances to facilitate digestion process. 5. Hair health treatment. Amaranthus has rare amino acid that help to prevent baldness. 6. Develop bones. It can be used as a superfood to increase bone growth because it is contain calcium that is necessary to develop bones. It has been said that this particular herbal plant is one of the most higher holdings of calcium compared to any other vegetables. Precautions of Amaranthus spinosus. Health benefits of Amaranthus spinosus are actually very high compared to any other herbal medicine from its calcium properties. But Amaranthus spinosus leaves do contain low level of oxalates, which is not a good thing for people with special medical conditions such as kidney stones or gallstones. There has been no record about allergic reaction to this particular herbal plant. It is advisable to seek medical consult before adding Amaranthus spinosus into your diet. We hope that you will share this useful information with your friends and family. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.